Right, try again. All the water is draining down here. There's something wrong with the drains. Don't know what it is. 31st of July. Is the camera? So this is one drain. Should sort out. The water is, this is a slope, so it comes down this way, and this is where the problem is, around the wire. It should be sorting out this path. But my flat's the only one being affected. Or the entrance, because I'm in the water. So, 31st, Saturday, 20 to 9, 8:30. Well, as I said, 20 to 9. 31st July, 2021. See, from this angle, that's my flat. They put bricks all down that angle there. If you can see it that clear. And that's where I can't get in or out. Because it's unsafe. You got a CCTV opposite because this is a slope. The water, all the scaffolding, right up by the tree. See, my vent is the only one that they damage when I'm asleep. Don't know how they're doing it to my flat. All the rubbish. Right, and they blocked with the bricks. That is a drain. Meant to drain away the water, but it doesn't. They got all sorts down here. Okay, so that's behind my wet room, which I won't repair. All the scaffolding's right behind, and they haven't done nothing to the roof for months, 4 months. So this is the problem area at the moment. All the drainage. If it rains again, this is where all the soaked inside that door, the floor, the car part is soaked and the water comes in, and that's what they lift up, is the drain. So Home Goat Limited, see the weeds around here, it's all meant to be cut back, and you can see around here is not, and you can see over there. See that camera watching the soap 24 hours a day, just give it a wave. Silly devils. Right. And this, which they don't upkeep. So the bricks have been taken off in the corner there. They're meant to do. They never upkeep this area at all. Never. 10 years renting this flat. That's it. And this is disabled access, meant to be. So yeah. And it goes down slightly, that angle to the door. So I'll do a part 3. Go back down here. See, the leaves can block those, and this is what it's like when you're stink that carpet spread it out. I've got my food ready. These are all new drains. Yeah, so it's only my flat affected, but the out of hours people, company, and see what she's done to hers. She's not affected by this. Where's the camera?